Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 17-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. A set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats. Fold-down rear seats. Coming up front, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist. A nice black ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Up here we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera, dual climate zone, radio, cup holders, our buttons for our multimedia system. This vehicle has 35,826 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.